Welcome to Sound Balance Physical Therapy. I'm Dr. Jonathon May. I'm here with Melanie. This is part of a series of videos highlighting the stretches within my book.
And you can find a link to that book in the description below.
This stretch is for the wrist and the forearm. It is done by bringing your hand out in front of you, and you use your other hand on top of your hand to push your fingers and your thumb backwards. And you want to do this with your elbow straight as you can. And you want to make sure you don't forget the thumb when you push your fingers back. Okay, so this stretch you can hold for 30 seconds. And you'll want to do that at least 3 times. If that video was helpful, go ahead and leave a comment down below and hit the thumbs up. We have new content coming out, so make sure you subscribe to our channel.
Be sure to hit the notification bell so you can get a notification every time we post.
And also leave a comment below if there's a specific topic that you would like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and keep moving.